Today's tutorial is going to be how to kickflip on a fingerboard. So yeah, let's get started. So the trick you'll need to learn how to do is called the ollie. So yeah, basically what a kickflip is a flip that comes towards you, that flips towards you, going this way. That flips towards you like this. This way. So here's a demonstration. Here we go. So basically, my finger positions on doing a kickflip is basically more like this. My fingers go like this. So there's like 4 bolts. I put my index on my like right next to the front bolts, right next to it, and my middle finger at the tail. Sorry if I'm not very descriptive. What you want to do is just pop and slide your fingers up. You have to feel, in order to make sure it flips correctly, to make sure your finger, your index finger, make sure you feel this dips over here. Make sure you feel it, touch it. See? So it'll create this motion, this flips. So you want to pop, and you want to just move your both hands up like this, and move your wrist up like that. You're going to pop this and move your wrist up. Pop, slide your wrist up. It goes like this. All together. So yeah, here's a streak for you. Oh well. Peace.